Now we are going to introduce a product that can be used at home. It can allow mothers to monitor the baby's development at home.
Yes, it's the Fetal Doppler. It has high fidelity, clear sound, and high sensitivity Doppler Pro. And pregnant women can check the baby's heart beating easily and clearly, even they don't know any medical knowledge.
That's great, and I think parents-to-be will be very happy and feel at ease when they hear their baby's heartbeat. Maybe you will be worried, will this ultrasound do harm to the unborn baby? Our machine uses the low ultrasound dosage, so it will not be harmful to the unborn baby.
And this model is suitable for any situation. This model makes the fetus daily check and routine examination at home, clinic, community, and hospital because it's easy to carry and convenient to operate.
And what's more, it can equip with the earphone and speakers. In a noisy environment, you can wear the headphones to listen. You can also share the fetal breathing with your family. You can share these wonderful moments together.
Wow, sounds amazing. Doctors can also order those fetal Dopplers for your clinic or hospital. On one hand, you can use it when provide antenatal care. On the other hand, you can also recommend to many parents-to-be.
If you have any question, please feel free to leave your comments below, and you also can send us an inquiry to get more information.